Let's go right to the point on how to install Apache Maven. First, we'll install Java, open your web browser and go to oracle.com/Java for the official JDK. Click on Download Java, scroll down, choose Windows and x64 installer, click on the link, wait for the download to finish. Run the installer and follow the prompts, accepting the default settings. Now all you need to do is add it to path, so follow me carefully and let's do it step by step. Go to the file location, bin, and copy the path. Open environment variables and follow these simple steps. Verify Java is installed. Open a terminal or command prompt and type java-version. You should see version information. Now let's install Apache Maven. Open your web browser and go to the official website, maven.apache.org. Under Files, download the latest binary zip archive. Wait for the download to finish, then extract the zip file to a directory of your choice. Copy and paste the file in C/program files. Now all we have to do is set environment variables. Go to Apache Maven folder, then bin, and copy the path. Open environment variables and follow me step by step. To verify it worked, open a new terminal or command prompt and type mvn-version. You should see the installed Maven version number along with Java details.